Hello world, this is ConnectPartner, and today I will teach you how to do backlinks into your website that needs to be promoted through backlinks service or services. So this is my website that I need to have backlink services, and this is my uh, company or website services or service. I want to have visitors in this specific page so that I will earn and have sales from that service. So I'm availing the backlink service in order for me to generate sales of this offer. So I have two pricing plans, basic and market leader. Below are the pricing. Number one is 30 days duration under $2,600. This one is 45 days under $3,800. Okay, let's start. So to do that, I need to have a third-party platform. I'm using Blogger, and I need to create a new blog, and I will get some viewers here in the SEO audit services pricing. Click this, or let's say let's copy until here, then paste it here. You can edit this if you want to make it cleaner, and then change the fonts if you want. Okay, so I'm good with that, and just put some call to action here. Explore to see SEO, the SEO audit services pricing. Okay. Okay, then link this, but copy the main source and link it here. Then click this. This is important to when a visitor click your call to action, it should create a new window or redirect it into a new window. Then click this to no follow, so that search engine will not follow this. Okay. Then let's have another backlink. Actually, putting the sample link is also a backlink process. But in the main content, you can also create backlinks by selecting complete words, a group of words that is having a meaning for the users. So select that and click a link, or link this to your main website. Okay, so if you want to promote other website page of your main website, you can also select any keywords or group of words here. So this one I need my reader or readers to click this, because this is very important, so I will link this. Okay, so I think I'm fine with this backlinks. So I have 3 backlinks, 1, 2, 3. This is like standard, inviting them to click this, and this is like simple, but this is an effective backlinks. When they click this, automatically they will not proceed here. They will be redirected into your main target site. So after that, so you can add some extra enticing features like adding image. So let's see what's effective here. Let's try this. Then make it bigger. Boom. Okay, so I want to promote this image and the simple or the few words and the 3 backlinks. My title will be SEO Audit Services, and I'll add another pricing. Okay, that's my title, my headings. Publish, automatic. Links, ignore. Location, specific. Toronto. Search description, SEO. Options, no. So I am done. Click publish. View your blog. Okay, so this is my first backlinks blog. So I have a professional blogs that has many readers and subscribers. So whatever I published here, they will read it, they will check, and they will assume that this is making sense. So that's why they will click this, and click this. So if I'm a reader and I'm excited to these wordings, to these features or this service, I will not proceed here. I will just click this, or I will just click this. But the same goal to be in this place. So you are now presenting your services through backlinks process. Easy. Thank you very much for watching.